We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and accurate overview of the Owala Kids FreeSip insulated stainless steel water bottle with straw, 16 ounces, in blue citrus. If you own this bottle, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The Owala Kids FreeSip water bottle stands out in the crowded market of children's water bottles for its innovative features, thoughtful design, and reliability. At its core, the FreeSip bottle is crafted from insulated stainless steel, offering a robust build that can withstand the rigors of daily use by kids, whether at school, during sports, or while traveling. The 16-ounce capacity strikes a balance between portability and practicality, making it suitable for children of various ages and easy to carry in backpacks or by hand. One of the most praised aspects of the Owala FreeSip is its patented spout design. The FreeSip spout allows users to either sip upright through the built-in straw or tilt the bottle back to swig from the spout opening, providing flexibility that many competing bottles lack. This dual drinking mechanism has received high marks from parents and kids alike, with many noting that it encourages children to drink more water throughout the day. The straw function is particularly popular for younger children, while the open spout is ideal for those who prefer larger gulps or for situations where sharing is necessary, such as at theme parks or during family outings. The push-button lid is another standout feature. It is designed with a protective cover that keeps the spout clean, an essential consideration for parents concerned about hygiene. The lid also incorporates a convenient carry loop that doubles as a locking mechanism, ensuring the bottle remains securely closed when tossed into a backpack or bag. This attention to leak prevention is consistently highlighted in user reviews, with many noting that the Owala bottle does not leak at all, even when inverted or jostled during travel. This reliability gives parents peace of mind and reduces the risk of soggy school supplies or gym bags. Double wall insulation is a hallmark of premium water bottles, and the Owala FreeSip excels in this area. Users report that drinks stay cold for up to 24 hours, with some mentioning that ice remains frozen for a day or even longer. This level of insulation is especially appreciated during hot weather, sports activities, or long days at school, ensuring that children always have access to refreshingly cold water. The wide opening of the bottle makes it easy to add ice cubes and simplifies the cleaning process, although some users note that the narrowness of the bottle can make it difficult to reach inside with a sponge. As a result, many recommend using a bottle brush for thorough cleaning. Durability is a recurring theme in customer feedback. The stainless steel body resists dents and dings even after rough handling by active children. The lid and handle are also praised for their sturdiness, with few reports of breakage or malfunction. The bottle's finish and color options are another highlight, with vibrant, fun designs that appeal to kids and make it easy to identify among other bottles. The blue citrus color in particular is described as eye-catching and cheerful, contributing to the bottle's overall appeal. Ease of cleaning is an important consideration for any reusable bottle, and the Owala FreeSip is designed with this in mind. All components can be disassembled and the lid is dishwasher safe, simplifying maintenance. However, some users have experienced issues with the silicone seal in the lid, which can develop mold if not cleaned regularly. While replacement seals are available, and this issue is not unique to Owala, it is worth noting for parents who prioritize hygiene. Using a straw cleaner and ensuring all parts are thoroughly dried after washing can help mitigate this concern. The bottle's size and shape are generally well received, but there are a few caveats. The 16-ounce version is compact and lightweight, making it ideal for younger children, but it may not fit in all car cup holders due to its relatively wide diameter. This limitation is mentioned in several reviews, particularly from parents who prefer to keep water bottles within easy reach during car rides. For those who require a bottle that fits standard cup holders, the 24-ounce version may be a better choice, although it is larger and potentially heavier for small children. Functionality is at the heart of the Owala FreeSip's popularity. The combination of a leak-proof design, easy-to-use lid, and versatile drinking options makes it a favorite among both parents and children. The bottle's ability to keep drinks cold for extended periods is frequently cited as a major advantage, especially for school-aged children who may not have access to refrigeration during the day. The carry handle is another practical feature, allowing kids to easily transport the bottle between classes, sports practices, or outdoor activities. In terms of safety, the Owala FreeSip is BPA, lead, and phthalate-free, addressing concerns about harmful chemicals in children's products. The bottle is not intended for use with hot liquids, which is standard for insulated bottles of this type. The manufacturer, Blender Bottle, is known for producing high-quality hydration products, and the Owala brand has quickly gained a reputation for reliability and innovation in the water bottle market. User feedback consistently highlights the positive impact the Owala FreeSip has had on children's hydration habits. Parents report that their kids are drinking more water throughout the day, thanks in large part to the bottle's appealing design and convenient features. The option to sip or swig, combined with the fun color choices, makes the bottle more engaging for children, reducing resistance to staying hydrated. Some parents have even purchased multiple bottles for different family members, noting that the Owala FreeSip has become a household favorite. Despite its many strengths, the Owala FreeSip is not without its drawbacks. The most common complaint relates to the straw, which can occasionally become dislodged from its opening, requiring users to reinsert it before sipping. While this issue does not affect all bottles and may be more pronounced after extended use or cleaning, it is a point of frustration for some users, particularly those who rely on the straw function. The push-button lid, while effective at preventing leaks, requires a firm press to open. This can be challenging for individuals with limited hand strength or dexterity, and it may not be suitable for very young children who lack the necessary grip. Another consideration is the price. The Owala FreeSip is positioned at a premium price point compared to some other children's water bottles, but most users agree that the quality, durability, and performance justify the investment. The bottle's longevity and resistance to wear and tear mean that it can outlast cheaper alternatives, ultimately providing better value over time. The availability of replacement parts, such as seals and straws, further extends the bottle's usable life. The Owala FreeSip's popularity is reflected in its impressive customer ratings, with an average of 4.6 out of 5 stars from nearly 58,000 reviews. It ranks highly in the sports and outdoors category and is a top seller in water bottles, underscoring its widespread appeal. The bottle's success can be attributed to its thoughtful design, reliable performance, and the positive experiences of countless users who have integrated it into their daily routines. For parents seeking a water bottle that combines functionality, durability, and style, the Owala Kids FreeSip is a compelling choice. Its leak-proof construction, excellent insulation, and versatile drinking options set it apart from competitors, while its vibrant colors and sturdy build make it a hit with kids. The few drawbacks, such as the occasional straw issue and the firm lid button, are outweighed by the bottle's many strengths. Regular cleaning and proper maintenance will help ensure the bottle remains hygienic and in good working order for years to come. In summary, the Owala Kids FreeSip Insulated Stainless Steel Water Bottle with Straw is a standout product that meets the needs of active children and busy parents alike. Its innovative features, reliable performance, and appealing design have earned it a loyal following and high marks across the board. If you are looking for a water bottle that keeps drinks cold, prevents leaks, and encourages healthy hydration habits, the Owala FreeSip is highly recommended. Don't forget to check the link in the description to support the channel, and if you have experience with this bottle, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision.